In this video, I'm asking you to join me in a collaboration. So if you're interested, stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. And if it's your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I am so glad you stopped in. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now you know you're in the right place if you want to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on the budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below and give your girl a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the notification bell twice. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Today I am hosting a collaboration. Now the title of my collaboration is the Fall Fireplace Decor Challenge. And I'm asking just the simple things for you to follow the proper protocol for collaborations, which is mention the host in your channel, must be a subscriber to the channel, you must include the channel link and the playlist in your description, and you must include the hashtag, which I'm going to run across the screen, hashtag Fall Fireplace 2020. Now, the thing that I ask you to do is you must include at least one pumpkin. You have to have at least one pumpkin in your decor for your fireplace. I don't care if it's a picture or whatever, but it has to be at least one pumpkin. Now, the upload date for this challenge is September 22nd, 2020. And the time is 9 a.m. Central, which will be 10. I think it's 10 Eastern. So it's 9 a.m. Central Time. So I hope to see a lot of people participate in this because I enjoy decorating my mantle. You can do your mantle or your apron. It doesn't matter because I know a lot of people don't have the mantle, they have an apron. And if you don't have a fireplace, you can do a top of a bookshelf. You can do your bar in your kitchen and a top of a hutch. Those are the items that you can decorate if you don't have a fireplace at all in your home. So I'm really excited because I love to decorate for fall, and I have a good idea of what I'm doing my fireplace in this year. So I hope you join me. If you think about participating, leave me down below saying I'm in. That way I can look for you when I do the upload date. So again, the upload date is September 22nd, 2020, and the time is 9 a.m. Central Time. And the hashtag is hashtag Fall Fireplace 2020. I hope to see you there. And again, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying you be blessed.